Hello, my people. Una good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, according to your time. Now, just small message to some of our people. This message go direct to men and women. Some women they go born first speaking. You go say na mistake. Oh, I carry belle. If it happen, mistake. Second one. You go say na mistake. Third one, you go say na mistake. Come, you decrease. Your head correct. You know what it be mistake. You know what it be mistake. Eh? You born first one, you born second one, you born third one. You say all of them are mistake. Okay, now. You don't still get belle again. Eh? Only you want. You want born 4 children for 4 months. Because of say you dey run, they go. I don't know where till they pursue some of una they go. If you see man, all what you want to do now just to carry belle and want born. What did they do you? You know they sit down, make you think about that man. Man will go there for you. Man will no say love you. Why be say nowadays women now picky they take the whole man? Why be like that? I can't ask question. I know say some people go cry for this message. Me, it no concern me. If you cry finish, you go inside, sit down where you listen, say this message where I bring also now really true. Because single mother don't many. Now most of una they use una take the concern, not be the male. I still they come for the male. Because you as a woman, you need to know man way know your value. Man way go fit take care of you. Man way love you. Not be say because of say you want to open that side, enter inside. Eh? First one, me say, second one, me say, third one, me say, the fourth one, now you still say you get belle. The worst part of it, the man self, you know even one. Now 2 weeks, I be 1 week. Hey, 2 I be 1 week. 1 and 10 days together. Where you just like, hey, I love you, the things they do sweet me, they sweet you. And you get belle. And you get belle. I don't understand though. But some women, I know the pity for now. Hey. I know the pity for now because woman supposed to understand whether that man he love her for real or not because of say he want enter. Because when belle don't enter, now you go carry the pregnancy, now you go born her. The man, now you know, go tell you say, now you born for me. Probably not there. She be you want born. May you carry the go. You will be man, come here. Come here. Why you dey like to do upper direct? Why you dey like to go up there? You don't know say pikin go come. Even though say the woman they tell you say I dey take medicine, I dey take something, no pikin no go come. Why you go trust them? Why you go trust them when you know say most of them na pikin to time man down. First thing where they talk na pikin. The first thing I want born for you, make I born for you. Where you see say nowadays, now they happen. Why you dey like to go up direct? Oga Mr. Man. That woman, you know the character like that. Eh? Tell me. You will not sit down for the same house for 6 months or for 3 months. The answer is no. You as a man, why you not they use your brain? You want born for there. You want born for there. Woman want born for you for there. Eh? Only you want. You go get picking for the whole Europe country. You not gonna know say your thing, you need to they wear a raincoat. Why you not they wear a raincoat? Because you like upper direct. Now your pikin don't fool everywhere. Or in the name of say, what I say dangbe, I be just want me, I just like, how are you? The woman say get belle. And when the man go even tell the woman say, this belle where you get, I never ready. The woman say, hit me. I know they come out. I don't get belle. You see then, wait oh mama, you wait be this the mother. You they even they think about your children self. Because when I say happiness is free. Now your life now you dey live. The pikin where you be say you dey hot when you want carry come, where you not go even know the love of your father. You even they think about her. The answer is no. The answer is no. It not concern you so far you born. Eh? So far you born. Who tell you say that man go marry you? Who tell you say go put you for us? Eh? Because he don't understand you. You don't know your character. You don't know your character. You don't even know the surname. Say some people. Yeah, my surname. The surname of the man where they give the belle. They don't even know. Yeah, my anything. I get belle finish. Mona change una way. Mona let me see the respect una. Nah, waiting. Now every kunkuba wey person just do na go get belle. Where they use a sense, use your sense now. Waiting they happen. If you reach this side, I mean now where me with a done there for 3 years. No, you no go see. You with a done there for 1 week, 2 weeks, neither they see. Okay, but 2 months. And that 2 months, not be said they sit down for house together. A day house. Maybe this one day Germany, the other one day France. Now it be that 2 months. Hello baby, how are you? For phone. For phone. Make una see they do stay together now before na go see they say una wan carry pikin come this life now. Una come carry pikin come finish. The pikin go come get stress. You go come get problem. You no go get the feeling of his papa. If papa go there in Jamaica, you go there for another side. Sorry, my people. Before you go know, you go start to dey cause the papa, the pikin go sit down for there, go dey listen. You go dey see papa once in a year. What did they do now, women? Why they are bending them ijegbe? Why they are respected buwa? I be woman not your respect. If you not respect yourself as a woman, no man go respect you because men own not to enter inside. Na it be men own not to enter inside. Any kwekus way be say open for ground, they go chuku, they go come out. If you can't say you get belle, you are on your own because you not tell you say may you born for them. Because most women una they use pikin say the time and ground. Now job be this thing. Because now woman they decide when one carry belle. Now woman. Because when you see man say if they misbehave, you go say I be no now God forbid bad thing. Even though say you tell us me, the man tell us say born for me. Oh wow, oh yeah, but nowadays, the worst part of it, most of those one where be say they don't fair born. Worry who were here now. What if they pursue you, they go? Even the one where you born, the love, you don't even know the love, women, a feeling raw. Now better born. Do you have the feeling of a child? You know they pay you, say your pikin, no they see papa. Now only mama they talk say you go the and I go born the pikin, I go train the pikin. I mean they not tell you say now both sides not supposed to date there. The children they need to have the love of their father and the love of their mother. But nowadays, you see all those children where then they born. Now only the love of their mother, the mother and they get. I know they talk about those one where be say their man run no. You see all those one where just they decide say I want born. Anyone where just come across, I will just born. And those one they talk about. Not be those one where be say they born finish the man come out to no. Okay, mona not miss am. Especially you where be say you don't forget 2 or 3 pikin. What you they find they go. Now you want come born the whole world. The one where you feel born, you never feel gather them together. Only you. You get 3 pikin, 3 man. Only you one. You go say first one a mistake, second one a mistake, third one, I don't know as it happen. Who you can't they talk to? Now, person like me, now you they talk to. I beg go sit down. When I go to think about on life before now they do something. Wait till they pay me for inside and those picking where they carry they come. Because they don't know anything. Oga Mr. Man. Oga Mr. Man. Go they wear raincoats. No matter how that woman will tell you, say, I they take something. Go they wear a coat. Otherwise, your children go food the whole world. One go dead there, the other one go dead there, the other one go dead the other side. And no love. No love. Why you want carry pikin on this world without no love? With the pikin not go, you not go even know it be papa. You go they see papa once in 10 years. That one are life. One are they think before now they do something. Before you go this side, get belle. Before I go this side, I don't get belle. If you go look at, if I get 1, if I get 2, if I get 3, they will know why be and why be Jesus Christ. Why be now? What you want bon? I bet my people, I just say I just leave this short message because if you just they see something where you me they look they like I don't know me they don't tell me of age. I just look they like what kind of thing. I bet they go that side. You just meet man. Why be? Why my head be? I don't get belle. Get belle for who? For the man where you just see yesterday and you get the belle. A friendship in here, how you want to last? Tell me, you where they look me so. How that friendship want to last? Because we all know, say, when men they look for bekus they go, he go humble. Go say, love you, pass it, mama. After we don't see that bekus, he go bring the character come on. You as a woman, why you not wait? May you first see the kind person where they with you. Yan who work here. I beg you, come off from my road. Now bye bye. I'm gonna share this video for me.